Let's
Good
start now.
morning, sir.
Yes, let's
Hello.
start.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. So we will continue. So welcome back again, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Mahavidyalaya, Vasai West. TYBSCIT 5th Sem. Subject is Advanced Web Programming. Second unit, Web Form Fundamental is going on. Already I explained about the classes constructor. Today I have to continue with your inheritance and polymorphism, presented by Assistant Professor Bipin P. Vaity. So we will continue with your topic, that is inheritance. Okay, so first upon inheritance, already we have learned in the object oriented programming in C++ language. What is inheritance? One of the most important concept in the OOP. It allows us to define a class in terms of another class. That means we can create a class and instance of the class also, which makes it easier to create and maintain an application. So this also provide an opportunity to reuse the code. We can reusability of the coding. We can use in the function. So that part also use in the class. Whole class together we are including members, data members and function member that bring together, and we can reuse that code using inheritance. So that functionality speed up the implementation time. So we can create your application easily and speedily. So when creating a class, instead of writing completely new data members and member function, the program can designate that new class should inherit the members of an existing class. What do you mean that? So one of the base class is there. Suppose A class having the functions A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and you are creating another class that is a B class, and we want that function on which are using in the A class also. So we have to create there B is inherited by A. So that is derived class. So B is derived by A. So that means B class, when you call it, so it can use the A class functions and methods, or we can say members also. So that is called the deriving part, and it is a inheritance. So there are base class and derived class. See that now here, class shape, it is given there. One of the example, it is given there. Base class is there, shape, where we use their method set width, set height, which is assigned by the main method. And after that we are using derived class. So see that now derived class, it is rectangle, and here colon, only one single colon it is given, and after that we are saying about the what first base class. So base class is a shape and rectangle is a derived class. So when you call the rectangle and create any object, so we can use that set width and set height methods also inside the rectangle, because it is inherited by shape. Got it? आपका एक बेस क्लास है शेप, दूसरा रेक्टेंगल करके या डिराइव्ड क्लास है. तो डिराइव्ड क्लास बेस क्लास के मेथड, मेंबर्स और या फंक्शन यूज कर सकता है. इसी पार्ट को हम लोग इनहेरिटेंस बोलते हैं. क्लियर अबाउट दैट स्टूडेंट? यस स्टूडेंट, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in this way we have to continue this example. See that now rectangle, in that rectangle we are using the another method get area, and where we call the protected member. See that now protected member is the width and height. So that is written where width into height. Then main method, so class rectangle tester, there we use the static void main, where we create the object rectangle rect new rectangle. That means new object is created by derived class, new object created by derived class, and we can call the method of the base class using rect object also, because it is inherited by shape. So rect dot set width, we are passing the value 5, it will go in the w int w, and width is equal to 5. Then after that set height 7, so it will move into the h variable passing, and after that it assigns by height. So we are just sending the data values from using derived class and base class method. After that we are just calculating part, it is already giving in the return width into height, and whatever answer is there stored, it is in the get area. So rect dot, we call that function rect dot get area. So we get a answer, total area of the rectangle, that is 5 into 7, 35, and it shows over here. So we see the example practically. I start the Visual Studio. I start the Visual Studio 2010. We see that example. I just copy that part from class shapes to here. Copy. I go on the Visual Studio. Yeah. Now click on File. Two times it starts. That's no problem. Okay, do three times. Okay, with that. Okay. Now continue. Click on File, New, Project. This is console application. We are seeing the all things with the base part with the C sharp. So Visual C sharp, and we use the console application over here. In your syllabus, we have the ASP.NET. Same way we have to use the ASP.NET. Don't worry about that. I see. I show the example of inheritance in the ASP.NET application also. First of all, we see the basic part. So it is inheritance. So class name, namespace is given over there. Inheritance application. I just copy that and paste it over here. Inheritance applications. Click on OK. Hello. So after that, we click on right click on inheritance application, click on add, click on new item. After that, we use their class name, file name, that is your class name is there. Shape, it is a base class, and derived class is your what? Rectangle, and main method is there, rectangular tester. So your file name is also there, rectangle tester dot cs. So we are using the rectangle dot cs. Add, see that now. Okay, so inside the rectangular shapes we are using, I just copy that part and go on the Visual Studio, paste it over here. Okay, see that now. Code, what I said, class shape is your base class. There two methods are there, set width, set height. Two data members are there, protected members are there, that we can use in the derived class, width and height. So derived class is rectangle. How we create the derived class? See there now. Class rectangle colon and then base class name. Here also we are using the one method get area, and here returns values are there, width into height, passing by the base class, and their new method, that is class rectangular. Their main method is there, where we create the object rectangular rect new rectangle, and we pass the value using rect object rect dot, and set width is a method which is created by the base class. We pass that value, and then after that whatever answer is in the return width into height, it shows by the rect dot get area. You see the object now? Yes. चलो अच्छा, main program is different, that is why, so we delete that main program. Okay, so we'll run again. Yeah, now we got the answer. Total area 35, that is 5 into 7. Got it? Yes, student? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? That is inheritance part. Your base class, store that member, that is a, see that now again, class shape, public set width, whatever passing values from the W, it assigned by the width. Public set height, it is assigned the height. After that, two members are there. protected members, data members are there, width and height. Then after that, class rectangular, that is your derived class, colon shape. See that colon shape, that means it is a derived by shape. So public int get area, there we return the value width into height. And main method we are using rectangular tester. So we are here, we are creating the object rectangle rect is equal to new rectangle, and rect dot set width 5, rect dot set height, that means we are passing the value 5, it passed to the w, it passed to the h, set height 7, and whatever answers is written by the width into height, it shows in the rect dot. Yeah. So see there we are creating the object by the derived, and we can use the base class method also, that is called inheritance. हम लोग डिराइव्ड क्लास के थ्रू बेस क्लास के डेटा मेंबर और मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं, इसी पार्ट को हम लोग इनहेरिटेंस बोलते हैं. गॉट इट? यस स्टूडेंट?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके फाइन. सो नेक्स्ट वन.
Sir, but इसमें वेब फॉर्म नहीं यूज किया.
हाँ तो व्हाट आई सेड, हाँ पहले ही बताया मैंने कि ये मैं बेस बता रहा हूँ सी शार्प से. जब आप लोग एग्जांपल हमारा ASP.NET का देखेंगे, उसमें भी वही पार्ट होगा, कंसेप्ट्स आर नॉट डिफरेंट, तो उसमें भी मैं एग्जांपल दिखाऊंगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई शो यू द ओनली यूजिंग सी शार्प. उसके बाद आपका जब प्रैक्टिकल का सेशन उसमें दिया हुआ है आपके PDF में, उसमें से आपको ये भी कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा. गॉट इट?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood? So why we are saying all that basic part? मैंने ये C sharp बताने का, C sharp is not in included in your syllable, but base part is related to C sharp only. And after that we have to learn the ASP.NET. वो पहले के syllable में था, लेकिन अभी हम लोग को करना ही पड़ेगा, because we have to say they assume that you know the C sharp, but it's not like that. You have to know about the C sharp also, base part, and then ASP.NET. Clear? Yes, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, initializing the base class. Already we see that how you initialize. So derived class inherited the base class member variables and member methods, that is a derived class. Therefore the superclass object should be created before subclass is created. Superclass is your what? Your base class is superclass and derived class is a subclass. So you can give the instruction for superclass initialize in the member initialization list. That's why they show you that class rectangle, their members are there, protected members are there, length and width. After that they are creating the constructor. In constructor automatic initialization part is there, double L and double W. So length is equal to L and width is equal to W. Then they use the another method over there, return length into width, and they display parts of the length and width. This class show you the related only rectangular part, length into it, the area of rectangle we are getting over there. But next, that is a tabletop, it is your derived class and it is inherited by rectangle. See that now class name tabletop colon rectangle. Then inside there they are using private double cost, that is the access specifier only private. See that now a very good specifier is given over there. Protected members can be used by the derived class, private members cannot be used by the derived class. So this is the special things we have to see that with the specifier. Public members we can use from base class to derived class or any other class. Got it? Next, public tabletop they are given and they show you the double L double W. Here also they are using their double L double W, but here they are specially using their what? Base L comma W. But whatever assigns by the base class, it will assigns over there. So that is the keyword, it is given base. See that now, base L and W. So they are given colon base L and W. So depend upon the class, जो base class रहेगा उसके through L and W pass out होगा. After that using their get cost, double cost is there. Get area, how they are using their get area, यहाँ से method public method है. See that now public method. Get area into 70. तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हर एक एरिया को 70 रुपीज का कॉस्ट दे रहे हैं, तो into 70. Okay, get area into 70 and then return the cost. After that they display the cost, and then after that they are using tabletop, they call the tabletop T, and they are passing the values 4.5 and 7 point, that is a length and width. And after that they display using display is also public method. So display part is also we are calling using tabletop. Clear about that? Yes, student? So we will see that example also. See that now again I am just copy that part class rectangle se leke this one copy. I go on this example, same example हम लोग ले लेते हैं, खाली ये change कर लेते हैं. Paste it. Now let's see, class rectangle, right? Then length width, public LW, right? Public gate area, display part, class it is over, end of the class rectangle. That first class is over. Then second class is a derived class tabletop. We call with the rectangle. Here, important thing, see that now base LW. That means we are passing the value by the base class. That passing value, because base क्यों लिखा है? Because it is constructor. See that now rectangle and function name is same. So the constructor will invoke automatically L and W. After that public gate cost, there we are using the gate area also. Gate area into 70. So this is the public method we are using from the base class to derived class. After that display method is there, that we also call that base.display. So here we can get the display of the length, width and gate area, and after that we are getting the gate cost also. And after that we are just using the main method. So our file name is there, execute rectangle is there. So here we are writing the rectangle tester. So we have to change that rectangle. We have to write the rectangle tester, because main method's file name is already given in here. So we have to use that names only. Then static method done, we are using here tabletop T. See that object name is a derived name T or T dot display. They call that display. Inside that base class method also called. For it, what is the use of base? The super class and subclass. We run the program. Sorry.